Hey, how's it going? Before we begin, I'd like to just go ahead and let you know that as you are looking at this wonderful, adorable picture of my fantastic, perfect, holy, and untouchable cat, I wanted to let you know that whenever I try to do character voices or accents, whatever, when I'm just being goofy, I try to really hard do I try to not curse whenever I try to do stuff like this for these videos, but when I do voices and accents and stuff like that, they just kind of slip out. So yeah, I look forward to that. There's gonna be a few of those in here. This is just me goofing around. This is an audio test. I'm not taking any of this stuff actually seriously. I'm completely ad-libbing all of this. There is no script here. I haven't written any of this stuff down. I had a rough idea I wanted, and I just threw it up on there. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and support's in the description.
This is your mission. Eradicate the defensive units deployed in the Line Arc zone.
Oh, snap.
As you know, Line Arc is the main base of the anti-establishment forces that oppose the Cradles.
I'm aware.
We have tried to negotiate peacefully with these revolutionaries, but they have refused our overtures and continue their violent attacks.
Overtures? You wouldn't know peace,
this
I admit you.
mission is a show of force to encourage the enemy to rejoin negotiations.
It's a show of force.
We never like to resort to violence, but on this occasion,
you don't like to.
We have no choice.
You're the League, of course you love violence.
The main weapon, White Glint, is currently operating.
You don't understand.
It will not become a risk.
You really want me to fight? You're notorious mercenary.
Note that this mission is a test run of your capabilities.
You're literally.
We trust that you will deliver a successful result.
What? Yeah, I guess I accept it. I guess. This is gonna be bad, isn't it? Well, let's get it. Luckily, I'm still in the prime of my youth.
Destroy all Line Arc defense units.
Easier said than done.
A league next?
Yep.
Damn it, not now.
Oh yeah, now. Alright, fellas, I'm still spry enough to take care of y'all. I beat the hell out of you. How do you like grenades? Apparently you love them. Pinpoint accuracy. Precision. Oh, I see ya. Let's see if I would want to be ya. Apparently for that one I would. And that one. Oh, my game is off. Never mind, it's back on. I love the smell of high explosives in the morning. Nothing like it. The gunpowder really brings out the twinkle in my eye. So that hurts the cataracts, one of the two. Oh God. I wasn't ready for that. I'm just hitting buttons half the time. Alright then. Alright kids. Who's first? Right, hold on. There it is. Alright. No lock on, I thought I could make that. Huh. A little bit closer. There we go. Oh, now we're in business. And business is good. Full barrage, baby. Yeah, I'm enjoying this. This is good. Oh God! What the? Oh God. Oh, where did I go just now? That was a bit much. I guess I need to get back up there, don't I? She daisy. Alright. Oh God. I wasn't quite ready for that. Alright, I got a lock on for you, bud. Oh wait, hold on. I thought it would reach. Yep, missiles it is then. Regards to the devil, because I'm sending letters. Half of them already, huh?
Damn! Are we doing any damage?
I'd say probably not.
Primal armor? First we have to break down that primal armor.
Good luck, sweetheart. I've got more health than you've got time. Yeah, look at that. You like that bunny hop? I haven't done that in 50 years. Back when pilots were still called ravens.
Only a few targets
God, I love nukes. They're great.
Our standard weapons are useless.
That was the grenade. Which
Where
one's
are
this
our
one's the
normals?
nuke? Yeah, hold on. Put a wall in the way. There we go. My bunny hops are untouchable. My barrage, unquenchable. Look at that. I love a good missile storm. Alright. How do you like your nukes? I like mine well done. Ah, grenade cannons make me happy. You can't hit me with your
Enemy
weak
reinforcements
attacks from over
confirmed.
there. I've got reinforcements, huh?
Normals, huh? Just stay focused.
Why are they called normals? We just called them A.C.s. They're armored cores. What are you doing? Why are you weird like that? My bunny hops are too good for you. You can't hit me. I haven't taken a single hit this whole time. Alright, that's the last group over there. Let's see if you like your nukes delivered to them. Oh, how dare you shoot it down? Was it dumb luck? Here's a second one. Oh yeah, grenades for you. Bender at you. There, you can have my last nuke.
We've
Good night,
confirmed
Irene.
all targets destroyed. Mission complete.
Good.
Well done. Almost perfect.
I'll do the best I
Don't
can.
get too high on yourself yet, rookie. These enemies were nothing
I'm
to write home
not
about.
high on myself, I'm high on life. And I don't write, I send emails. You old fogey. Look at this beautiful city, submerged underwater. Oof.